Hello, everyone.
Huh?
Nope.
Huh?
Have you ever seen a cat become a fish guard? Well, there was one really funny moment when this cat tried to prevent his friend from disturbing the fish in the aquarium. Cats usually look brave, but try putting a cucumber near them, they'll panic. Ever seen an acrobatic cat? This one amazed everyone with its somersaults like a professional gymnast. This cat was seriously going hunting, but was suddenly intercepted by this nosy animal.